The creation of artificial cornea makes the blind see again. As the American Life Science reported, preliminary results from a clinical trial in Switzerland show that a lab-made artificial cornea could restore sight to the blind. The subjects were 10 adult cases, blinded by disease or corneal damage. Please subscribe to me to learn more up-to-date details. The cornea is a transparent, film-like tissue covering the surface of the eyeball. It refracts light to image the scene on the retina. The researchers followed the patients for more than 2 years. 6 patients said their vision gradually recovered. The artificial cornea of 9 patients fused with other cells and nerve fibers of the eye. This is an important research because the artificial cornea can integrate with the human eye and stimulate tissue regeneration, which is unprecedented, and can help tens of thousands of people waiting to donate cornea for transplantation to restore light. At present, in the world, corneal disease and injury are the first factors causing blindness. According to the Eye Bank Association of America, more than 40,000 corneal transplants are performed in the United States each year. The global human corneal donation is in a serious shortage all year round. Previous artificial cornea transplants were high risk, prone to postoperative complications, and were only allowed after a human corneal transplant had failed. This new biosynthetic cornea undoubtedly brings good news to patients. According to the results of Science Translational Medicine, the cells in the eyes that received the transplanted artificial cornea were successfully regenerated for 2 years after surgery. Because the regenerated cornea is its own cells, there is no rejection reaction, so there is no need to take rejection reaction drugs like organ transplant patients. I have been engaged in science popularization for 19 years. Please give me a like, subscribe to me, and forward this video if you like it to introduce more people with the health knowledge.